guys, new tutorial. We will see together how to create a new filter and group on Odoo 11. Okay, I will use the previous example on the example which contain how to create a model on Odoo 11. You will find this example on the link of the video. So I have a customer which has a name and last name and age. Let's add another data, for example John Kaza, and the age is 13. And let's add another data, David, age and 20, and let's save now. So this is the data. So I want to create a filter and a group. So now I don't have a filter, so let's start now with create the group. I will create a group by name. Okay, I will add here a new record. And here group. Let's add new record. ID, customer search view. And let's create model. Let's copy direct on the model. And I will add the file name. I will copy and just rename. So customer search view and field name type arch type XML. And here I will add search. String customer search. Group expand equals to 1 and string equals to group by, for example. So this is the message which we will see together. Filter name equals to name. And string name, domain. I will not use now domain, but I will use the context. Group by, so group by. Points and group by name. So this is the first filter name for the attribute name, this name of the model. So the name, field char, and the context is grouped by name. Okay, let's close the fields and record. Okay, I had also closed. Let's reformat the code now. Okay, let's update the model and see the first group. So the filter I had named name. Okay, I have an error. Let's see together. Customer search view. I had forget to add the model. Let's upgrade now. Okay, invalid syntax. Think noun, group by name. So I had to add here this. I will add it. And now let's update. Okay, it worked now. Let's see together and discover the first filter. Okay, filter. The first group. So group by name. So we see that 3 block. We see 3 block divided by name: David, John, and Turkey. Okay, now let's go to the filter. I will create a filter which lists only the person with age 20 or bigger. Okay, let's start. So I add another command, and don't worry, you will find this code on the GitHub. This is for filter. Okay, filter string. My first filter. Name. So the name is for age, because I need the age, and domain. Age. And this for set is bigger than, or write it in XML. So I will take it directly from my code. And change with age, and I will choose 20. And let's try now. I will update the model. Okay, let's click on the filter, and we see here my first filter, and we click here. So there is no data here because it is because on the data here we don't have smaller than 20, and this for smaller. Let's command this page 20. Let's add another now. Okay, and change this. With this GT to set the greater than and this lower than, and let's upgrade the model now. I forget to change the name. I will name it my second filter. There is an error. Because I didn't close the filter. Let's upgrade. And let's now add another data. Jane. And age 18, and let's now test the two filter. So my second filter, it will show Jane because her age is 20, and for the first filter it will list the other. So we find here the age John and Turkey, and this for Jane, and this is the group by. Let's now add the data search. I will take the data, this example. I will search by name. So field name, string name, filter domain name, I like and sell. So it will search for the name. And let's search by age now. And let's upgrade the model now. Let's now search here, for example, Turkey, and it said search name by name. I can also search by age. It asks you if you want to search by name or age, so age. And then we have finished. So this is how to create a group and filter and search data. I hope that it was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you on the next tutorial. Goodbye.